Aquarius yearly horoscope for 2021. You are idealistic and highly intelligent, Aquarius, and those two traits combined mean that you can be a strong force. In your hands, the impossible becomes possible. You think outside the box. Although that's a cliche way of saying it, you do indeed think at a higher level and very different from most other people. You aren't exactly a leader, you're more like someone who blazes your own trail, and others eventually follow. You're incredibly inventive and innovative, and this often astounds and intimidates other people, which means you sometimes suffer when they become jealous of you. In 2021, your gift for invention will come into play more than once throughout the year. This may mean anything from literally coming up with an invention to blessing others at work or in your personal life with your brilliance. Although there is money to be made through these pursuits, that probably won't be your main focus, and the bigger rewards may not arrive until later in the year or even the following year. Even so, you will gain a great sense of satisfaction from all that you accomplish. An area where you need to exercise great caution this year is in your personal life rather than your business life. You may wind up so intensely involved in your projects that you could easily drift away from those who are most important to you. So be aware of this and take steps when necessary to rectify the situation, making sure to keep connected to your closest friends and family.